birthday, darling.
Oh. What a pleasant surprise. Almost forgot.
Daddy said so.
I said so, didn't I?
Oh, you all are wonderful.
You do, but we never forgot.
Oh,
never did.
That's my
never did.
Oh, thank you.
Mommy.
You all are wonderful.
Mommy. This is just one. Now we will show you our other surprise.
Another surprise? Come on, come on. I can't wait to see that one.
Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Follow the boys. Follow the boys.
Surprise!
Surprise?
Yes, darling.
Honey, what's going on here?
Happy birthday.
Oh, this is me? Oh,
See?
Thank you, love you.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
Oh, baby. Love you. Oh, for me?
Yes, baby.
Oh.
So, you like it?
Oh, it's so lovely. Oh.
I think mommy likes it.
Oh. Hi. So happy.
Well, you know, I think we need to go inside and prepare for the birthday party outside after the house party.
Yes. Okay, let me shut the door.
Hello, everybody.
Here she comes.
Hello. Whoa. What's going on here? How are you? Hi, Robert.
Hi, hi.
Babe, how you doing?
Check me out. Just check me out, babe. Oh.
Who is the owner of this exotic horse?
Oh, it's my birthday gift. Oh, thanks to my husband, Robert.
Well.
Oh. Thank you, Robert. Thank you. Mwah. Mwah. Thank you. You have succeeded in making my friend the talk of the town. Babe, we go wash her more.
Abby, you can say that again and again.
And we go test drive her.
Hey, that's no wahala.
Congrats, my friend.
Thank
Congrats.
you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hey, Dad, the cake is waiting.
See, I guess that suggests we all move towards the living room and attack the cake.
Cake?
Yes.
Let's go. Come down, Elise. How are you? Let's go. I hope you guys have been doing well in school. Robert spoiled us silly. I wish every day could be your birthday. So, I enjoyed myself. It was actually a pleasure celebrating with you.
Oh, Jenny, you're part of my family. My children would have crucified me if you did not come to enjoy with us. You know they are fond of you, especially Desmond.
I wouldn't have missed that birthday for anything in this whole world. Well, that's children for you. They easily get acquainted with people. Oh, by the way, you know those kids are mine as well.
You're part of my family. And my best friend, my school mother as well. Jenny, what's wrong? I understand with you. Your single status. It's okay. Believe me, God is going to give you your own husband one day. Just trust in him.
When, Dorothy? I mean, how long am I going to wait for that anticipated miracle to happen? You and I know that I'm not getting younger. You see, when I look at how happy you are and how fulfilled you are with your family, I feel I've been cursed.
Oh, Janie, how could you say a thing like that? Don't think ill of yourself, huh? God has a perfect purpose for you. Okay? Please. Now cheer up for me. Cheer up. That's my baby. Baby, I'll go. Can we go down?
Let's go. By the way, how is this my baby kicking?
Oh. I'm sure this one is going to be a girl. She's so troublesome. She kicks my womb here and there.
You don't have to complain. You've gone through this 2 times. So pregnancy is no big deal to you anymore. So
oh, please, let's go.
Let's go.
Right, that's my angel.
What's wrong with Mom? She looks sick.
I'll be fine. It's just a slight headache.
See, don't worry. She'll be fine, okay?
Yes. Hurry up with your breakfast. You're late for school, okay?
Dad, are you going to take us to school?
Of course, sweetheart. See, Mom has headache, remember?
Yes.
Good. On my way to work, I'll drop you off. Oh, don't you want to have a ride in my car?
Of course I do.
Good, good. Let's eat,
Honey, please take me upstairs. I'm done. I want to go and lay down now.
Right. Hey, boys. I want you to be ready before I come back from upstairs, okay? Come on.
Take care of yourself, sir.
What is it? No quick, huh? No temperature.
Oh, yes.
Good. Is that how you want it? Please. Don't start moving around now after I've left. Okay? Please rest.
I'll be fine, honey.
Good.
I'll prepare your favorite. Oral soup and pounded yam.
No, please. I know there is no cooking that tastes as good as yours in the whole wide world. However, we can't encourage stress in this condition, please.
Honey, my condition cannot keep me away from putting a smile on your face. You know how much I love seeing you happy.
It's such a jewel. I know that my life would be a living hell without you. I know that.
I can say that again.
Lucky. I love you, baby. But please rest. You know, I can't wait to see my little princess.
Ah, you sure she's a girl?
Well, you wait and see.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, come home straight.
I will. I promise. Cross my heart. Hey, Jenny. What? Still in labor. So what does that mean? Okay. I'm on my way now. No, I'm not panicking. I'm on my way.
Robert, good day.
How is she?
She's been admitted. The doctor has been waiting for you.
Oh, okay.
Yes, he's already waiting for his order.
Robert, please, calm down. Calm down. She will soon deliver.
Yes, I know.
I think I should go and pick up the children. It's about closing time.
Oh, God. I forgot. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Jenny?
Yes?
Thank you for everything. Thank you.
What are friends for?
I'm sorry. Unfortunately, we lost both of them.
No!
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
So at the end of the day, the princess got married to Sinbad. Did you enjoy my story?
Of course I did.
You did? Oh. And you, Desmond?
Yes, I did.
You enjoyed it? I'm happy.
Where's mommy and daddy?
They will soon be back.
Will she be coming back with her baby sister?
Of course, she will. As a matter of fact, let me go and pick them up, okay?
Okay.
Come on, darlings. Come. Be good boys. I'll be right back. Okay. Bye.
Where's mommy?
She'll be back. After eating.
Yes. Yeah.
What am I doing in life? Now, what's left for me here? How can I survive a moment without her? How? How do I tell the children? How do I break the news to the children she left with me? How? Oh. Jane, my world is falling apart. Today, my life ends. It ends today. Jane, I'm finished. Honestly, I'm sorry. I know I promised, but I totally forgot. I'm sorry, man. Please forgive me.
Robert, you are breaking down. You hardly concentrate on your business, on your social activities, since you lost your wife. Are you going to mourn her forever?
Colin, you're my friend. You should know me. You know how these things are. When Dorothy died, my life went with her. I have nothing here. I'm lost without Dorothy. I don't think you understand how huge a vacuum her death left in my life.
Then fill the vacuum.
How?
Marry another wife.
No, never. Never, Collins. I made a vow. I will never replace Dorothy. Besides, no other woman can step in her place. No. Yes, rather, I'll die single. No.
Your judgment is okay, but I don't think it is to your best interest. Think, my friend. Think about those motherless kids. I will be on my way now. I have an appointment with Postman Investment in a few minutes. Robert.
Yes, thank you. Well, maybe I'll say the chlorate later.
Robert.
Yes, thank you.
Take it easy.
Yeah.
Welcome, Robert.
This one. You're welcome.
How's it been?
Fine.
Thank you so very much. Thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you since Dorothy passed. I don't know.
Dorothy was my best friend. She would have done more for me. How was your day at the office?
Well, I thank God. Today is gone. Tomorrow is next.
We thank God.
Yes.
Now that you're here, let me go back to my beauty shop. I have a lot of customers waiting for me.
Right. Thank you.
I'll see the children by weekend.
Go. We'll be expecting you.
All right. Let me go and get my bag.
Right. Good. And I just get my stuff in the car.
All right.
What's wrong with you, Ben? I'm hungry. Me too. We just have to wait for Uncle Michael to come and find us something to eat. I can't wait. I'm hungry. In that case, let me go to the kitchen and see if I can find anything we could eat. Let's try. Okay. Ben, there is soup, but there is no semo. And I cannot make semo. Let's take the soup without the semo. You know I'm hungry. Okay.
We must thank God that we met this situation on time, Mr. Robert. Otherwise, anything could have happened.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much, Doctor, for your efforts. Thank you.
You're welcome. This brings me to ask, Mr. Robert. Pardon my intrusion anyway. But how long are you going to continue leaving these kids at the danger of fending for themselves or by themselves? You're a very busy man. And they are all alone. If you ask me, I think it's high time you got someone who would be committed to their welfare, committed to their upkeep, who would take care of them like their own. Please think about it.
Yeah. Thank you. My dear love, you are no more. Yet you have refused to leave neither my heart nor that of our kids. Only if you know how much I miss you each day that comes and goes. Only if you can see the sorrows deep in my soul each time I see the kids feel your absence and the gap you left in their daily lives. It's been years since you have gone. But to me, it's like yesterday. How do I cope with the kids all alone on my own? I'm weak. I'm too weak to bear all this alone. Too weak, my love.
Robert, I really think it's high time I force you to heed my advice.
Jenny, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You know, each time I see you with these kids, with Ben and Desmond, I marvel at your closeness. They're so fond of you.
You're right.
You know, I never believed that any other woman can ever give them so much love. You know, they feel attached to you. They love you just like they love their mom. Jenny, these kids need you now more than ever.
And I promise to be there for them.
When Dot passed, I promised myself I will never let anyone in there. You know, to keep the memory alive.
Robert, I know how much you loved and miss her.
Immensely. Miss her so much. But I'm not sure how long I can keep this promise now. But should I break this promise? I only have one person in mind.
Who?
Jenny, can we take this friendship deeper?
Write the missing word which is formed by the rearranging the letters of the word in both types. The male animal usually eat bigger meals than the female. Criminals live an evil life. A great deal of lead is used.
Hello guys.
How are you?
Well, can I get my own hug too? How are you doing today?
Oh.
Good, good. Let's sit.
How was school today?
Let's sit.
Yeah?
I see you have been working. Good, good. Now, I'm going to talk to you guys. Hold this for me. I can see Auntie Jen is your friend, right?
Yes.
Good, good. I'm thinking, maybe we should bring Auntie Jen very, very closer to us in the family.
Yes.
Oh, you like that?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, I think I should marry her so she can be just like a mommy and take care of you guys.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Dad.
Would you like that?
Yes, Dad.
So you won't call her Auntie Jen anymore, she'll just be mommy.
Yes, Dad.
Ah, good, good. Confronting.
I love you, children. I love you. I love you.
Now, show me what you have been teaching your brother. Okay.
Congratulations, Robert. I'm happy for you.
Brought me back to life.
Of course, I'm taking you out for a special lunch. Let's go and celebrate.
Then what are we waiting for?
Let's go, brother. Come on.
Sweetheart, you don't know. You don't know. You never know how much joy you brought to my life. And I want to thank you. See, thank you for giving me a reason to life again.
You brought rainbow into my life when darkness was all over me. Thank you, sweetheart.
I should thank you. See, I want to promise you, I will do all I can to forever put a smile on this lovely face.
You will smile for the rest of our lives.
Thank you, darling. We light the light and always close the door against any intruders and stay in our world until we aspire together.
Mr. Robert.
Yes.
We have conducted a series of diagnoses, and the result here shows that your wife has a chronic pelvic inflammatory disease, otherwise known as sarpingitis. Yes, and because this condition has prolonged, I'm afraid and she might not be able to get pregnant again.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. We'll be on our way now.
Yeah, just take it easy. Here's a copy of Madam, please calm your nerves, sir. It's okay, you can't calm down.
Welcome to my humble home. Hey, how you doing? How are we doing? How are we doing?
Have a royal taste.
Say hello to you.
How are you?
Oh, darling!
Yes, honey.
Sit down.
Welcome, honey. Oh, good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Let's buy some.
Okay. Boys, let's go. It's bedtime, okay?
Oh, thank you.
You have a beautiful woman. No wonder she gave you this handsome princess. Congratulations.
Well, thank you, William. Thank you. Thank you. I'm blessed.
I envy you.
Why would you envy me?
You have a mouth-watering business with a very wonderful family. You're blessed, my friend.
I'm blessed.
You're blessed, sir. I'm blessed too.
Thank you. Well, William, I know that you are also successful business-wise. Quite successful, your own way. And I'm very sure you have a beautiful and enviable home too.
Enviable home? Successful? Yes, I thank God. But I think there are certain things I should let you know about my matrimonial life. Especially now that we have become friends. Robert, I got married for over 6 years without a child. However, and I did all we could, everything within our reach, but there was no result. Poor woman, she got irritated at the slightest thing. At the stage, she could no longer bear. She now packed her things and left me. Do I blame her? No. But God, who have refused to give us life through her. In fact, my friend, you don't know the pains of living childless.
Well, William, I'm sorry to hear that, but don't blame God. You should bring back your wife. Make her comfortable. And you both should look towards God. See, God does his things in his own time. Just be patient, God will answer you in his own time.
Thank you, my friend. Keep believing God.
Jenny, I understand how you feel.
No, you don't, Robert. Robert, you don't. What do you stand to lose? After all, you are a man, a father. A sad, barren woman.
Stop, please stop.
No, I won't. The bitter truth, isn't it? Robert, I wish you knew how it hurts. Each time I hold those children in my arms and realize that they are not mine, and that I cannot even have mine. I wish you knew how it hurts. Living in this our society with the stigma of barrenness.
Jenny, it is nobody's fault. It's not your fault. God gives and
oh, please, Robert, please. God this, God that. That is your usual slogan. I am sick and tired of it. Is it when I get to my menopause that God will perform that miracle? This is 3 years since we got married. Robert, please. Please. Please, Robert, please. 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 Gloria, this whole thing is eating me up. I don't know what to do. Please, I need your help.
This is serious. Especially since your husband already has 2 kids. And all fingers are pointing at you.
Exactly.
I know without child you have no place here. Let you not end up being his bed warmer and at the end you're thrown into a trash. Jenny, tongues are already working.
I'm so confused I don't even know what to do. What do I do?
Have you considered adoption?
Sweetheart, I think I have a solution to our situation.
What?
Let's adopt.
Adopt?
Yes. We want a child. And a child is a child. I mean, let's adopt a child. You brought happiness to my life. So each time I see you in this sad mood, it hurts my heart deeply.
I know, honey, but
There's no but. If you truly love me, then you consent to this. Please. I love you more. I love you more. And I've been thinking, what do we go for? A boy or a girl? What do you think?
Well, since we already have 2 boys, I think it's only natural to get a girl.
Right. You're right. You're right. Then, the girl it is then. It's a girl. Yes.
Robert, you're indeed a nice man.
Oh, see that? You have some qualities. And you know you're the joy of my life. So, tomorrow, right?
We'll tell the boys.
Yes. Let's speak with them. I love you, baby. I know they would love to have a sister. I can see them now. I'm sure they would love to have a sister. Yes, Mom? Then, Mom and I have decided to give you guys a sister.
Sister? How?
Well, we intend to adopt one.
Adopt? What does Daddy mean by adopt? It means getting a girl from the orphanage to live with us.
Smart boy, see?
Will she be friendly?
Of course she would be.
So what do you say, guys?
Yes, I need a sister. Me too.
Good, so we have a deal.
Now can we continue with them?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye, yes, ma'am. Bye-bye, sir. Bye-bye.
Well, there you go.
Mom, I'm so happy.
Yes, man.
God, I can't believe this.
I'm happy for you, son.
Congrats once again. Because it is not an easy task to get admitted into Oxford University. It's hard work, and you have more work to do.
Yeah, Dad. I'm so happy, Dad.
I am happy for you too. I know you're going to make us proud.
Yeah, for real, Mom, I will.
Dad, where's Oxford University?
Sweetheart, Oxford University is in England. And it's one of the best universities in the whole wide world.
I would like to continue my studies there too.
Good. But you have to study hard, get admitted into the university, and then you can go. Why not?
Including me, Dad.
Wow.
I would like to study there too.
Ben, well, there's nothing wrong with that. It means we just have an Oxford-trained family. Yes.
Dad, the doctor asked to see you in his office.
Let me see him.
Jennifer's condition is quite bad, though she's responding to treatment. You know, diabetes can only be managed, cannot be cured. So I'm going to discharge her, place her on medication. You need to help her to make sure that her diet is controlled.
Oh, okay.
Most importantly, her sugar level needs to be monitored carefully.
Right.
So I suggest you stop over the pharmacy, pick up the drugs, and make sure that they are administered properly.
Thank you. Thank you.
If there's any mix-up, don't fail to call me.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Desmond. How are you, son? We are fine. Yes, I'm doing well. Yeah, your mom? Oh, yes, your mother's doing all right. She's good. Oh, when? Wow. Okay, we'll be expecting you. We all miss you. I'll tell everybody you're coming. All right, son. Okay, we'll see you soon, eh? All right. Hello, everyone.
Hey, Dad. You're welcome. Welcome, Dad.
How you doing? Good. Hi.
I'm good.
Maybe how is school today?
As usual.
I know.
How is it at the office today?
It is as tedious as usual. I can't wait for this case to take over so I can have my rest. Well, thank God this one is coming home.
Really?
Yeah.
But this one is coming home?
Yeah, I called him today.
Wow.
So when is he returning, Dad?
In another week, he says.
Oh, I have to call him now. So he doesn't forget what to buy for me.
Hey, Mimi. Don't spoil my shit.
Call him and I'll call my own.
You don't have a deal with him.
Call your own, I call my own.
Call your own, call my own. Don't worry now. We will do the man-to-man thing.
Call your own, I call my own. Honey, I want you to go and freshen up and it's okay.
Hey, I'm famished.
Say yours, I say mine.
Remember to tell me what to buy for me.
It's on voicemail, people.
Oh.
Say yours, I say mine. The ugly guy on the TV looks like.
That's what you say, though.
Say yours, I say mine.
Here comes my learned gentleman. Daddy, I can see your ticket. Yes. I see. Oh, hey, don't do that. No.
I'm so fun.
I know. Welcome. Son, I'd like to thank you once again for making us so proud. We are proud of you.
Dad, you shouldn't thank me. I mean, we've been wonderful parents. What else can I do but not allow your efforts to go in vain, huh?
Well.
And Mom, I poured you a glass. What's going on? That's your best friend. Why are you not drinking?
Yeah, Mom is diabetic and hypertensive for some years now.
What? And no one told me?
Well,
Mom? I hope you've been taking your medication.
Yes, religiously.
Jeez. Well, leave my darling alone. She'll be fine, okay? She's quite all right. Now, this is to your return. Welcome. The loveliest mom.
And the happiest. Thank you.
So, well, I hope you're warming up to put all you've studied into practice.
Of course, Dad, of course.
Good. Because, see, I may look physically okay, but I don't feel that way. I'm getting older now, and I need my rest. Okay. Well, your brother wants to continue with the studies, and now the running of this business is going to be on your shoulders. So tomorrow, you will meet with the board of directors to sign necessary papers for the handing over.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Well, thank you, Father, for the confidence in me, and trust me, I will not disappoint you.
That is the music I want to hear. Because I know you won't disappoint me. You never did.
Not at all, Dad. Not at all.
Well, I also have papers to sign too. So, I'll be in my study.
All right, Dad. I'll come see you and Mom in your room later, after I'm done chatting.
Make sure I'm available when you're coming.
Okay, Dad.
No, son, I've searched everywhere. Everywhere.
Everywhere?
Everywhere. Well, there's one more place I think it might be, because there's another one of this box there. You know, just like this. I think it might be in the storage or something, but I'm not sure right now. Maybe it will be in that one too.
I remember seeing a box like this in the storage sometime.
Yeah, I guess a replica of this.
Yeah, look just like this exactly.
Let me check.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Mimi's not joining us.
Yeah, I guess she's doing some cleaning in the room.
Okay. Go get her before the food gets cold.
Come on, Dad. She'll soon be here now.
That's it. What's that? You see, my child, I can explain all this to you.
Don't call me your child, because I am not.
Just hear me out, okay? Let me explain. Hear me out.
My daughter. Oh, stop, please. Even you. And you. How long was I supposed to know that I was blind all my life? How long?
No, so that everything we did was for your best interest. And it was for your best interest at heart. But now that you know, I will explain. It all started when my first wife passed on.
Robert, please, calm down. Calm down. She will soon deliver.
Yes, I know.
I think I should go and pick up the children. It's about closing time.
Oh, God. I forgot. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Jenny?
Yes.
Thank you for everything.
What are friends for?
I'm sorry. Unfortunately, we lost both of them.
No!
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
My dear love, you are no more. Yet you have refused to leave neither my heart nor that of our kids. Only if you know how much I miss you each day that comes and goes. Only if you can see the sorrows deep in my soul each time I see the kids feel your absence and the gap you left in their daily lives. It's been years since you have gone, but to me, it's like yesterday. How do I cope with the kids all alone on my own? I'm weak. I'm too weak to bear all this alone. Too weak, my love.
Robert, I really think it's high time I force you to heed my advice.
Jenny, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You know, each time I see you with these kids, Ben and Desmond, I marvel at your closeness. They're so fond of you.
You're right.
You know, I never believed that any other woman can ever give them so much love. You know, they feel attached to you. They love you just like they love their mom. Jenny, these kids need you now more than ever.
And I promise to be there for them.
When Dot passed, I promised myself I would never let anyone in there. You know, to keep the memory alive.
Robert, I know how much you loved and miss her.
Immensely. Miss her so much. But I'm not sure how long I can keep this promise now. But should I break this promise? I only have one person in mind.
Who?
Jenny, can we take this friendship deeper? Sweetheart, you don't know. You don't know. You never know how much joy you brought to my life. And I want to thank you. See, thank you for giving me a reason to life again.
You brought rainbow into my life when darkness was all over me. Thank you, sweetheart.
Thank you. See, I want to promise you, I will do all I can to forever put a smile on this lovely face.
You will smile for the rest of our lives.
Thank you, darling. We'd light the light and always close the door against any intruders and stay in our world until we expire together. Sweetheart, I think I have a solution to our situation.
What?
Let's adopt.
Adopt?
Yes. We want a child. A child is a child. I mean, let's adopt a child. You brought happiness to my life. So each time I see you in this sad mood, it hurts my heart deeply.
I know, honey, but
There's no but. If you truly love me, then you consent to this. Please. I love you more. I love you more. And I've been thinking, what do we go for? A boy or a girl? What do you think?
Well, since we already have 2 boys, I think it's only natural to get a girl.
Right. You're right. You're right. Then, a girl it is then. Desmond? Then, Mom and I have decided to give you guys a sister.
Sister? How?
Well, we intend to adopt one.
Adopt? What does Daddy mean by adopt? He means getting a girl from the orphanage to live with us.
Smart boy, see?
Will she be friendly?
Of course she would be.
So what do you say, guys?
Yes, I need a sister. Me too.
Good, so we have a deal.
Now can we continue with our meal?
Yes. And that was when you came into our life. When you came, you brought joy, you brought happiness. And we wanted it to remain that way. So we decided to keep it away from you. We even warned the kids that they must never let you know. All we did was for your own good.
For my own good? You know how heartbroken I am? How destabilized I am over this? That a place I call home I only belong to because I'm adopted into. Things can never be the same, never.
Yes, it can, my daughter. You are still our daughter, a part of us.
Only in heart. I am certainly not your flesh and blood. No!
Please, stop this, please.
No,
please, stop.
No.
Please, stop. For how long will you keep crying, huh? Don't you know I get hurt each time I see you cry? Please.
I know, and I'm sorry, but I can't be in this emotional pain. I can't. It's too much for me.
I know, but please just put aside your pain right now. Okay? Look, we are here for you. I am here for you. Huh? Just stop, please. Or don't you trust me? Huh?
I know what I can't.
And please, just please stop crying, please. Oh God. Please. Lovely and pretty for me, man.
Yes, I'm giving it the ball shape.
Wow. Ball shape, man.
Hello, everybody.
Welcome, son.
Yes.
I knew.
Well, so, I was the day ago.
Seriously, not easy. Can't complain, but hectic.
Welcome to reality. Road to success is always hectic. Tell me about it. Tell me. You. There you go.
Not again?
Of course.
Oh, brother. Thank you.
I got you.
My God.
Yes.
I can't wait to try this.
You go.
No. Come on, show me. Come. Let me see. It's beautiful, right? Oh, this is beautiful.
What's this one?
It's like really nice. You will spoil this girl with gifts. Since he came back, his attention has been on you.
Hey. Are you jealous? Yeah.
Tell her she's his son, but she's my brother.
Well, I'll leave you two. I have to take this off and have a shower.
Okay, welcome home.
Thank you. Hey. Isn't that my sister looking so ravishing, so blazing, so H-O-T?
Stop teasing me.
No, seriously, I'm not teasing you. Oh my God.
I really came to show it to you.
You know what? I need you to do this. I need to go back to your room, take off this dress, have a good bath, and put it back on. I'm taking you out.
We are?
I need to show this finger out to the whole
You
world.
are awesome.
No, seriously, just go.
Okay.
Yeah, use the best soap I bought.
Stop.
Trust me, the body wash is great. Delicious, isn't it?
Brother, you never cease to amaze me. How do you find all the happening spots in town?
Of course I'm a happening guy, and it's only natural for happening guys to know happening places.
You barely got back.
What?
You have a heart of gold.
How do you mean?
You always find a way to bring back the smiles, laughter, and hope. You give them back to me just at the point when I think it's over. I don't know what I'll have done without you. How will I pull through all of this?
I'm your elder brother, okay? And it's only natural for me to put a smile on my younger sister's face.
Hey. I wish we were flesh and blood.
Hey, don't even go there, please. Look, we are flesh and blood if only you believe in your heart. Now tell me how many flesh and blood brothers and sisters you know that are as close as us? None. So keep believing, I got you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's really nice.
And when we're done, I'll take you somewhere nicer.
Where?
No, that's the surprise. Trust me. Trust me.
Okay. Thank you. Guess right up.
What I told them. This time out.
Mom! Dad! I'm ready to go. So tell me, how do I look?
See that? You look gorgeous. I told you.
Thank you, Dad.
Mirabel, where did you get the jewelry from? Desmond, you bought that jewelry for her?
Yeah.
Why? Why are you bent on spoiling this girl?
Mom, I don't understand. Desmond. Now, what don't you understand? You expose this young lady to a flamboyant lifestyle. It is unnecessary. She has enough as it is. I want that to stop. I've heard you, Dad.
I should be on my way out.
Take those things off and keep them on my dressing table. Mom, I'm already on my way, like in my room right now. Don't do that again.
What's up?
I'm fine.
I know you're still angry at mom and dad, right? But come on, look on the bright side. They're trying to be good parents.
I think they're to a cake.
Well, here's what. I got you this. That. I also got you this one.
No! No!
Look, seriously, you have to be careful this time so they do not seize them again.
I will not be!
Okay, I got you.
Thank you.
I got you.
I
got you. Hey, listen. You have to keep it down, okay? Don't get too excited.
Yes, keep it down, Emil. You're the best. No. No.
It's finished. I don't get you. We lost her.
You're still crying. know you miss her. We all do. But tears will not bring her back, you know.
Why? Why did she have to go? Who do I call mommy now? I have to go back and suffer all my loneliness alone. Why? Since she died, all I can think of is how to trace my real parents. How to go back to where I belong.
No, don't say that. Don't. You belong here. You belong here. Okay. Please stop crying. I hate seeing you cry, you know. Please stop.
I can't. I'm trying, I can't.
Look at me. Mimi, I know you feel guilty in your heart. I feel the same way too. It's not your fault. A force pushed us into it. A force that has lived in us for a long time. A force we cannot avoid. That force we can't even deny. It's love, Mimi.
You're supposed to be my brother.
Sometimes in life things happen. Things we can't explain no matter how hard we try. We are trapped in that situation, Mimi. I love you. And I know you love me too.
Love?
Yes.
You said love. Between a brother and a sister.
Certainly not flesh and blood, Mimi. I'm never letting you go. Never. This is our story. Ours is a new world.
dropped Mimi off at her friends and later went to pick it up. I don't understand. Why are you always together? Must you be together at all times? You don't even give yourself a break and get focused. Maybe it's not distracting. I mean, what's wrong with me picking my sister up? Yes, man, there is nothing wrong with picking your sister up or even being with your sister. But it's alarming when it gets to a point that you don't give yourself time for your private life is suffering. I mean, when last did you speak with Mary or even visit with Mary? Okay, now I understand where all this aggression is coming from. It's because I'm not in contact with Mary and I'm not giving her attention. Father, it's simple. I don't have feelings for her anymore. Yes, you do. No, I don't. You've always had feeling for her. Father, I doubt. The times change. Men control time. Listen, you've always had feeling for Mary, even when you're young. Father, look, Mary should slow down. Since I came back, she's just been forcing herself on me. Whatever she does is because she loves you. Well, she should be patient and let this love flow right back from my end. You're not thinking of disobeying me, are you? Now, don't you ever think of disobeying me. Alright? You've always loved this girl. Okay, you must call her. Yes. Can I go take these clothes off? Yes, you may go. Now call that young lady.
No, what's funny?
Good? Yeah. I missed you.
You did?
I did.
Wow.
Oh, come on, sit. So, how have you been? What's been happening?
I'll be in my room by this time.
Is she okay? What's the problem? Is my presence causing something?
She's fine. She's okay. She's good. It's only we had a slight misunderstanding before we came. Yeah, but she's alright. It has nothing to do with you, really.
So, what's been happening?
Good, great. How have you been?
You've not been taking my calls.
Yeah, I was about saying the same thing. I mean, you didn't, call before coming.
I called several, but you didn't take my calls. And besides, do I need permission to come to my parents?
Well, yeah. Yes. You've been around. I mean, you've traveled. You're enlightened, so you should know that before you go visit anybody, you have to call, even if it's your own father. It's only.
I'm here now, and is that supposed to be a problem? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. It won't happen again, okay?
It's alright. It's cool.
So, what's new? Are you okay?
Great.
So,
yeah.
What's been happening last September?
Look, I'm sorry I never knew she was coming.
It's nothing. It's really nothing. Like Father said, can't live together forever. We have to part ways. For good. She's yours today. I'll belong to another tomorrow.
Oh. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. It's just a fever. No, let's. No, you're fine. I'm ready to leave the shot.
Are you okay? Smell sluggish, huh? Go and see the doctor today, okay? See, I've already called him. So, no stress medication, okay? Now, don't go and sleep now. Go to the doctor. He's expecting you.
I will.
Chief, I invited you personally because the information you've been demanding from me is not something I can discuss on the phone. Besides, it's even against the ethics of my profession.
Yes, doctor, I know. But you are family now. Who do I go to? Please.
I don't think I have a choice.
Well.
You see, the result of the test shows that Mirabel is 3 months pregnant.
So that's what's causing... Oh, I see. Pregnant. Well, all right. I hope she's okay. There's no complication.
No complication at all.
All right, doctor. Well, thank you. Thank you, doctor. Thank you. I do not like this silence. Mirabel. Now listen. Getting pregnant in my house and out of wedlock is totally unacceptable. So you would talk to me, Mirabel. Who is this man? Mirabel, you would talk to me. I asked this in private, and now in the presence of your brothers. Then, Mirabel, you leave me no choice. Now you will get up at once and go into your room and pack your things and go to whosoever is responsible for this.
Father, please.
Please, excuse me, please. Since you have chosen not to speak, now get out of my sight at once.
Please, Dad.
Get out now. Get out of my sight.
I'm responsible.
Excuse me?
I'm responsible.
shameful act. So how do you want me to explain this to family and friends? That you got your own sister pregnant? How could you let her lure you into such a shameful act?
It's not her fault, Father.
Just... It's my fault. Just shut up. Shut up.
What we did was for a cause.
And what cause would that be?
True love, Father.
True love? Between you and your sister?
Not flesh and blood.
Oh, shut up!
This truth is better told, Father.
You will stop talking that nonsense. Tomorrow morning, Mirabel goes to the hospital and gets rid of that pregnancy.
No way, Father. No.
But in that case, you leave me no choice. My earlier order stands. She leaves my house.
If she leaves, Father, then I go with her.
I'm scared. This is a forbidden step we're about to take.
Leave that to me. I just need to find out something from you. Do you love me?
You know I do. I really do.
Then we would get married. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Desmond, how could he have done such a thing? How?
Hey, just stop, okay? Don't even question me now, because you will not understand. You've never been in love before.
Listen, Mirabel is supposed to be your sister. I mean, you have many girls at your disposal. Why Mirabel?
Hey, you and I know that Mirabel is in no way related to us via blood. And my emotions to her, very genuine, okay?
But...
Hey, no buts, okay? No buts. Listen, I'm in love with her. She's in love with me. We are in love with each other, alright? And no one can tamper with my unborn child, not even our father. So get it.
But I think seriously what you're doing is not right. Take note. What you're doing, it's not right. What you're doing is not right.
Whatever.
Father, I know myself and Mirabel have put you through emotional torture. I pray you forgive us. Still, Father, I'm asking you to give your consent. I want to marry Mirabel, Father.
Desmond, Mirabel is your sister.
No, Father, don't say this. You and I know Mirabel is no blood relative of mine. Even in the eyes of God, it's not a sin to marry her.
Have you gone insane? Huh? Desmond, listen, if you need a bride, Mary's there waiting on you.
I don't love Mary. Mirabelle is the one I loved.
You have to be joking.
I am not joking, Father.
Well then, I will stop that from happening. Even if it takes the last drop of my blood. Get that in your head.
You're not serious, are you?
Okay then. What is wrong with him? Mirabelle, all your life, have I ever wronged you?
No, Father.
Is there anything you desire that I failed to provide to you?
No, Father.
Well, now. Is there anything that has to do with fatherly love that I ever denied you?
You've given me so much love, care and affection. That's why my heart is heavy. My eyes are wet to see you shed tears.
My dear, please, help me wipe these tears. And for these tears to stop flowing, all we need to do is get rid of this pregnancy and save me this embarrassment, please.
I have never disobeyed you, Father. I have never disobeyed you for my own life. But the life of my own blood, I cannot take.
Please, my daughter.
My conscience is stopping me.
Conscience? Conscience. Desmond is proposing to marry you. And should that happen, you know what depth of embarrassment and shame that will bring on into my life and onto this household. Please save me this embarrassment. Please.
The ties that bind Desmond and I together are so strong. To accept your proposal will mean to betray him. I have already accepted to marry him.
No. You can't do that. No, you don't.
I wish I could turn things around. I wish I could bring back the smiles and the faith you had in me. But what we share, I cannot fight. What we share, no one can stop.
This is very strange and complex, my son. Very, very. I mean, how could you have made this kind of terrible mistake? You have all it takes to get any class of girl just at your pick up. So why?
Uncle, please. This is not a time to apportion blames. Rather, it's a time for a solution. And if you must know, Uncle, seriously, I've known Mirabelle, I mean, for how long now? I've lived with her. I know her in depth. There's nothing about her I don't know. So, ending my life or living with another woman is out of the question. I love her. We love each other. And there's nothing anybody can do to stop the wave of our love right now. Nothing.
This is strange. Strange indeed. Anyway, first thing tomorrow morning, I will come and see your father.
Thank you, Uncle.
I will.
Thank you.
This is serious. Very serious. I can understand how you feel, my dear brother. I do. I can imagine what you have gone through already for this shame. Be that as it may, the worst has already happened, and we cannot undo it. You see, the only thing we must try and do now is not to cause more harm. This is a very delicate issue and requires wisdom. So please, I suggest that you give your consent to this marriage so that we will not cause more damage, because I can see fire on his eyes very much. Please. Eh?
Anene, give my consent. Can't you see this is doom? And that's what you have come to tell me in my own house. Has this boy bribed you to convince me and you shamelessly take the money from him?
Robert!
Anene, if this is what you have come to my house to do, please, you can leave now. Thank you.
My brother, please, you see, God knows that I have never disappointed you before, and I am speaking through my clean heart. Please.
Please, save yourself the sermon and save your breath. Thank you. You can go now.
All right. I will leave. But do not say I did not tell you. Just mark my words.
And you, if you think bringing him here to convince me will change anything, I promise you, it will not change anything, okay? Because you will not rubbish my image and my reputation. It will never happen.
In a battle between true love and reputation, true love conquers that.
What does it know about love?
Ndodi, thank you for the color. Anene has told us about the fire raging in your own house. And we as your kindreds have decided that we will not fold our hand and watch this fire consume the happiness we have enjoyed for generations.
Ndodi, we did not bring you and your son here for argument. No. We are simply here to nip this very particular matter in the bud.
Okay. I'm here and I'm listening.
We have heard it all. It is as bad as it sounds. But we are helpless because pregnancy is involved. The truth still remains that Mirabel is not your biological daughter.
Oh.
So we as your kindred have decided that you give them your blessing to be married.
Oh. So, this is why you summoned me. I see. Well, if Desmond must have a blessing, well, you all go ahead and give me your blessing. It won't be from me, because I will not be part of this sacrilege. No, I will not.
Ndodi, why can't you hearken to the voice of your people? Why?
Anene, I have warned you. Have I not? I have warned you. Stay away from my matter. It is by sheer grace that I allow you to this compound. Stay away.
Okay.
Father, why are you doing this? No, seriously, why are you doing this? Why? Are you God?
Are you all knowing?
Just shut up.
Father, I won't shut up.
Go this one. Don't talk back at your father.
Why won't I talk back at him? At least he's not listening to people. He's not obeying his seniors. At least I know he's older than him. He's been talking to you. You don't want to listen and you expect him to obey you. Well, you are my son and you obey me. Well, in this case, I can't obey you. Now, shut up and sit down. I will not sit down. What is this? They've been talking to you. You don't want to listen. What? All right. Okay.
Father, I am sorry.
If you are sorry?
Yes.
You embarrass me in public and come and apologize to me in the privacy of my living room. You're sorry? After you have hardened your heart.
Father, if only you calm down and understand.
Desmond, there is nothing to understand here. Nothing.
Father, there is. There is.
You know what? I'd like to be left alone now, please.
Father. Father.
So, my dear.
Daddy, I've heard everything that's been going on between Desmond and Mirabel. And seriously, I can't do this anymore. I can't, Daddy.
Mary, my dear. See, I understand how this is, and I know it's difficult for you to take. But I can assure you, the situation is being handled.
Daddy, I don't want to be part of the shame and the stigma. I don't want to be. Please, I need to move on with my life. I can't do this anymore.
Well, it hasn't gotten to that yet, okay? It hasn't. I can assure you that Mirabel will terminate that pregnancy.
There won't be any need for that, Daddy. Let me move on with my life. It's over between Desmond and I. I have to be on my way now, though.
Yes, yes.
I'm worried about the whole crisis going on because of me. It worries me. I mean, what next will happen? My love, do you think we're doing the right thing?
Life is strange. What we think is right is sometimes deemed wrong, when the wrong actually seems right. But still, we have to light up the fire of courage in us. Follow our hearts.
Where will our heart lead us?
To our tomorrow. To our destiny.
I have lost my
pride, and as well as my reputation. Maybe we were right in the first place when you said love conquers pride and reputation. What can I say? I wish you both a happy married life.
Thank you, Dad.
No, son. No. Don't thank me. My approval does not justify your actions.